Hi, this is David Keenan with Microquant, and this is the free video for Wednesday, April 15th, 2015. So I was watching Google today, and we actually had a very static, very self-contained open in the markets today. The one move that I was watching very closely was in Google with an L. You can see this level right around 535.70 was the previous low in 2 of the last 4 days. So I was watching for a potential breakout below that low, and we actually got it right around 947. I went ahead and bought some Google puts. We were able to trade it on this move lower and then this move lower, and then found support on the MQ trend dots that were existing on the daily chart. Hit that level on 2 bars. I sold out of the majority of my position, moved my stop to break even, and then we bounced higher, and then we put in this one other low. Now, if you're looking at it, it could be looked at as an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder, and at this point, I sold some more of my position and some more of my position here and here. By this time, I'm already out because it does not look like we have a lot more downside momentum to go. What happened eventually is when we broke above this swing high, I told the traders, look, a break above 535 could send us higher. Now, if I'm looking at a swing from the high to the low, you can actually see once we broke 535, this retracement really kicked in, and we went all the way up to the high of the day, and then we've been just trending sideways right across the high of the day for the entire rest of the day. The way I described it to the trading room is everybody that saw that break bought puts and usually did not sell all their position because they're thinking it's going to go lower. I did, and then we bounced, and at this point, once we break out, everybody that went short on the breakout of 535.70 to the downside now are losing money. So they are either being squeezed out or they are basically holding on for the hope that this falls again. So at this point, you are starting to get a little bit of a pullback, but there's not a bunch of bears jumping on Google right now. Because again, this particular move right here was about $4 to the upside from the breakout level, and $4 to $5. So again, Google gives you a really good example how to play a breakout to the downside, how it makes sense to take profits at certain levels, and then what happens if you get this thing turned around, what kind of retracement you can get. And this all happened this morning. And in a market that was really fairly steady to the sideways today. So again, good opportunities trading Google on a breakthrough support to the downside today, and a subsequent rebound trade.